Morning, guys. It's not even morning, it's afternoon. It's 1:30, literally. Maybe quarter to two. Guys. So, yeah, I slept through. I was knocked out, and I'm very much hanging right now. But I have to go do groceries today. Otherwise, we're gonna keep taking out, getting takeouts, and it's not healthy. I'm trying to be healthy this month, okay? So yeah, we're on our way to go do the groceries. I'm about to get ready, gonna shower. My skin is going through it. I don't know if you guys can see. Yo, Lord have mercy. And I'm genuinely a person who doesn't care about my skin. Like, I don't care if I have a pimple. Like, it is what it is. Like, my life is not over because of a pimple. But like, guys, the way my skin is now, no, I don't like it. Yeah, I'm so excited because it's my birthday on Saturday. Today's Wednesday. If I didn't say, it's Wednesday. I'm so excited for my birthday. We're just having a braai at my family's house, at my parents' house, and then yeah, literally after that, I don't know. So yeah, well, I'll probably talk to you guys later. Let me recover, but let me just freshen up. Let me just look alive, and then I'll update you guys as I go. We're about to leave. I just show you guys my outfit and my hair, and yeah, let's go. Call the Uber. Hi, Lou. He woke up from a nap.
Are you guys vaccinated?
Cotton stuff. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna get this. At all. Sunlight you can take to do dishes. Dishes. Sunlight to do dishes. Oh, let's see that.
Summer, praying for your happiness, hope that you recover.
morning, guys. Is it morning? No, it's not. It's like 1:45. Please look. What is this? It's not a mosquito. It's not even itchy. I don't know what it is, but I kind of have a I think it's one of my makeup products. I think it is. I just wanted to show you guys quickly what I got from the mall yesterday in terms of like groceries, toiletries. So remember I was speaking about how my face, I feel like, is just, it's not cooperating, as you can see, but I have foundation on and stuff, so maybe that's making it worse. I don't know, but I decided, let me go and try this product. I've been wanting to try it, so I got this. Can y'all see? Sorry. I got this Portia Marula Skin Face Wash, and it's a mild or a purifying mild cleanser. Yeah, it's very mild. It doesn't really have a fragrance, which I think is a good thing. Yeah, it doesn't have like a strong fragrance, so I think that's quite nice. It's very gentle on the skin, so we'll see how that goes. And then I got the Marula Skin Day Cream, and yeah, I also got the Marula Skin Toner. I've never had a toner. I never bought toner. I never saw the need for toner, so we're gonna see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, but at least I have the face wash and I have the cream, so I have everything that I need. And yeah, so I used it this morning, and then I used it at night as well, but I went to the Discam, and then I got this Nature's, what is it, Nature's Nourishment. I got a night cream because I don't know if Portia M just doesn't have night creams, or if they were just out of stock. I don't know, I'll check, I'll verify. But yeah, I got this night cream, and it's really nice. The packaging, it's not that special, but it's cute. It's still cute. So yeah, like, it doesn't make your skin, it actually moisturizes your skin, makes your skin feel nice and soft and velvety. Like, it literally does what it says. So it says marula oil, high in antioxidants, essential, where's my English? Marula oil, high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids and amino acids, leave skin soft and hydrated. So I trying to get back into getting like a good skin routine, because I can see my skin is going through it. I got these face wipes from Skin Strategy. I never ever actually, I think I bought facial makeup wipes once in my life, and that was in varsity, and then I never bought them again. I got the Vaseline Cocoa whatever glow with shea butter. So I'm really excited. I'm excited. I feel like, where's the other one I used to use? Let me show you guys. So I actually used this one before, and it's nice. I got roll-on. This is the one I use because it's the most gentle on my underarms. I feel like I have sensitive underarms. They get irritated very quickly, if I can say. And then, for no apparent reason, because as you can see in the background, I have a mask. I have like 4 masks that you can wash, right? And this girl decides to get more. So it's 100 rand, it's 99 rand, but like, it's 100 rand for 3-ply disposable masks. So if I had a card, put it in my car as well, but one day. So yeah, that's basically what I got. And then I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday. So it's not like anything fancy, but to me it made me so happy. So you saw yesterday I went to Star Breezy. So I don't know if I already showed it or if I'm gonna show it now, but my brother this napkin. So I've got a mug, and I'm a coffee lover. I love coffee, and I think we have like 10,000 mugs there, but they're all my favorite. Like, I love them. So is this not cute, guys? I love it. I love it. And then I don't know what texture you can say this is. It's like clay, right? It's like clay, and then you have this, obviously, but I love it. I think it's my fave. It's nice. It's quite short, but it's big, you know. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten all day, and it's like 2-1. I'm waiting for a delivery from Take A Lot, so I probably have to keep my phone, you know, charged and ready, so that when they call, then I can collect it. But otherwise, we're living life. So today is my last day, so I might order wine on Checkers 60, but then yeah, I'll see. Is it 60 or 60, whatever? But yeah, I'll see. You'll probably see if I do. But let me go and eat, guys, and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Sorry.
Yeah, and after pizza, if I got this, so it's like a
But it's right.
this way.
So you won't know how.
How? Oh, this thing is going to be nice.
No, you need to put the light off. Hi guys, guys, it's been such so busy and stuff, but yeah, it's my birthday today. It's Saturday. So yeah, I'm busy getting ready to go see my family. We're having like lunch, braai vibes, you know, the usual. But yeah, I'm just not getting ready. I washed my hair this morning. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I washed my hair this morning, so I just want to do my makeup quickly because I think they're gonna be here in like 30 minutes, maybe an hour. Knowing my parents, they're gonna say we'll be there at 1, they'll come at 3, knowing them. But yeah, so I just want to quickly finish, then I know that I'm done, and then maybe get a picture in. If I did take a picture and I got a nice one, I'll put it here, wherever. But if not, follow me on my Instagram. It's Simphiwe_Ndaba with 2 A's. And yeah, guys, it's been busy. Like, I've been hanging this past week. If I'm not hanging, I'm busy, like, you know, doing groceries and stuff, chilling with my family. I went to go see my cousin. When was it? On Friday. So yeah, but let me get done and then I will see you guys soon. The lighting, child. Yeah, before let me just go get done. I'll see you guys.
Martin is gonna make it.